Hey guys, how to improve gaming performance on iOS 18.1.1. To improve gaming performance, first you need to close background apps. Swipe up, right? You're gonna see the apps from here. Just delete the unused apps or windows, okay? Next, what you need to do, you need to enable the low power mode for graphics. Swipe down right here to see your control center and make sure that you allow the low power mode from here, okay, by clicking this option. As you can see, now I turn it on. Next, what you need to do, turn off notifications. Go ahead to the settings, right? Scroll a bit down, click notifications from here. Now what you're gonna do, make sure that you turn off the notifications from here, announce notifications, and not here. You could do it manually, right? Or you could just go, and just use the do not disturb mode by swiping down to your control center. And as you can see right here, I can use the do not disturb mode so I don't get any notifications. Now what you're gonna do next, clear storage. Go to the general iPhone storage, right, and free up space via iPhone storage to prevent lag. Next, what you're gonna do, just disable the background app refresher. Stay on the general, scroll a bit down to find the background app refresher, and make sure that you turn it off, okay? And by using low power mode, you're gonna be able to turn it off automatically. You don't need to do anything actually. Next, what you need to do next, update apps, update games, right? Keep games updated to the latest version. You can just go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, click your avatar icon at the top right, refresh right here to see if there is any new update, right, to your game. Next, what you need to do, you need to optimize your network. Use a strong Wi-Fi connection and reduce other device activity. If you're using Bluetooth or cellular data, make sure that you turn it off, right, or use one of them. Next, what you need to do, you need to restart your device, right, before gaming for a fresh start. Swipe down to your control center, click your the shutdown icon at the top, long hold the right thumb so you can until you see the Apple logo, and then you're gonna be able to get back and start fresh. Next, what you need to do, reduce heat. Play in a cool environment to avoid overheating, throttling performance. Lastly, adjust game settings. Use lower graphics settings within the game that you're playing for smoother gameplay from the settings. And these tweaks can significantly enhance gaming on your device. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.